Oi, good morning, good vibe. I've just woken up. Yeah, good vibes, man. So we're gonna start off in the morning today. Today we are going somewhere. We're going to a place called ROCKFORT. Yeah, it's another garrison place in Jamaica. You get me? So we're gonna get ready, jump in the car, link up the man then, and go down there and see what I'll go on. You get me, people? Oi, good morning. Good morning in Kingston. There's 8 people, ROCKFORT today. Let's go. Oi. Harbour Road, people. Yeah, that up with them lane there and all them thing there. ROCKFORT. That's over there. Studio, you know? That is it. Ivory Studio. That is it, my bro.
That is it. One move, kid. One Gosh production. One YGP.
One YGP, one pie. No, remember the thing. That is it. Holy. Vibes.
See, you can build the rhythm, you know.
Alright, type of vibes, very good, man. Yeah, people. ROCKFORT. Just go around the shop. Next fans there. Love it. Every area I go, man get recognised. Like good vibes. Jamaica, the thing up. It reach. The Z. How good vibes. Yeah, so we'll say I used to replace this rookie.
That is it.
Yeah.
Dip on the harbour though.
Right.
Do the right thing.
True, man. True, brother. So we said that's why them call it hilltop badness, cause hilltop right there.
That is it.
See it there. We say catch your drift. Yeah. So I mean enough artists sing about ROCKFORT.
This is it.
Yeah.
And they never do this yet. Walk it.
See it there. We live, people. You hear that? You know, say a mad thing you get right now. You know what? Yeah, you see the water. Oh, over there. Oh, yeah. See the people? The man them said this the cool area there, you can chill out. Yeah. Look at the place, people. Got good vibes. ROCKFORT. Yeah, man, we'll show you some place in season 10. Nah, lie, we'll show you some place, people. You get me? The one your name Ghetto Pass. Hood Pass, Jamaica. Yeah, man. You know we got our connections, people. I'm with it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all them thing there, people. People say I'm not there, ROCKFORT, you know. What? He's doing it, man. Mad thing, people. Yeah. Good vibes, man. There's some place you think, wow, what is M not doing there? Yeah. Listen, see when we left, he reached back, he's recorded these tunes, watch him. Watch him go on to the song. No, who ain't with him?
Sorry, I just said I'll get you down.
Bad boy, girl. Give thanks to life, you know, go, why them that?
That is
okay,
it.
Hey, see that? You know where I go?
For studio vibes. Yeah, that is it.
It's me now. Yeah, I want it.
Quick and fast.
That's up things.
Yeah.
Journey never stops.
It's been a rough week. You get enough sleep.
It's us. We're going to put in the work, we make a change now. It's been a rough week, not us. We're getting enough sleep. The journey still have to complete.
That is it.
We say we must reach. We say we must reach. Don't stop the victory, go sweet. It's been a rough week. No getting enough sleep. The journey still have to complete. We say we must reach. We say we must reach. Don't stop the victory, go
One
sweet.
Jabuki.
One YG.
Just go
That
and keep
is
your
it.
head up. Must reach. We say we must reach.
Good vibes, cooking vibe. You get me? Hope you enjoyed the insight to the area. Isn't me? That is the exclusive things you're getting. Don't forget to press the like button, share, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see somewhere else. See if there's a connection there, isn't me? Yeah, that is it, people. Season 10.
Alright.
Yeah, you don't know. Bash Productions. Shock them records, you get me? We say hilltop badness. You know I think of one Jabuki. No! Yeah man, who tell them? Radam! No boy can't take man for Alan, no Nick Cannon. We drop bombs like Saddam, the boy they fishy, the boy they salmon. 2 shots from the cannon. Radam. Bad man like Adams, big 4-5 and knock it off balance. That raw shit think I'm in Jamaica to be no tourist. And if a problem that gets sorted, kick down the door so they can't ignore this. Party all night, man, a bleach. Think I'm in Jamaica to sit on our beach. I don't give a fuck about them man's team. How you mean? What? They kill them and knock it in the traffic. Blah! Bust up your whole windscreen. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know how to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi! Welcome to the big up section, people. Yeah, man. Another something that you might not get somewhere else today. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So just do the right thing. You know how the thing go, people. Don't do the wrong thing. Yeah, and you need to have the notification bell on as well. You ever say? Alright, this week's big up. Big up Sean Pitts 9624. He says, yo, big up on up yourself. It's nice to see you get mad respect from the man them in the grimy places in the streets. And nice to know, show the nice side of yard. Keep it moving, same speed. That is it, a nice balance this season, season 10. You get some grimy areas, you get some nice areas. I saw it go. Yeah, a balance, that we call it, balance. You understand? Yeah, right. And also big up Aaron F4275. He said food looked fire. That blue rice was a switch up. Yeah, but people, if you haven't seen Ramesh Kitchen, you need to go check that out. Blue rice, banana festival, beer fried chicken, beer things are gone. You need to go check that out if you haven't already. Catch up with season 10 if you haven't. If you're just joining now, make sure you check out the previous episodes, season 10, and however far you are reaching Cook and Vibe. But yeah, we're there, season 10. Why? I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'll see you next time.